Welcome back to another Shiba Inu video. In this one we're going to be looking at the price of SHIB because it is now dropping to 0.00045. I want to talk about why that may be and where we could be going from here. On top of that, I do want to share some news with you guys from Twitter, so all of that and more is coming up in this video. But do remember, as always, this is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor, but if you do enjoy what you see on the channel, make sure to subscribe, as we do publish videos very often on all different sorts of stocks and cryptos as well. But now, we're going to jump into this one, and we'll actually start off on Twitter. So what we have is coming from the Twitter page Shiba Inu News, and this is something that came out just a couple of hours ago. So about 17 hours ago, we had a new tweet from them, and it's speaking about a large purchase in SHIB. So we have breaking news. This is huge. A new Shiba Inu whale just purchased over $500 million in USD of SHIB. This is very bullish, and we must know a rise is coming. And we have a little bit of a speculative post above saying, well, who could this be? Could it be Robinhood? Of course, we do not know for sure, but either way, no matter who it is, a purchase like this is absolutely insane. It's a lot of money, and you know, it could definitely hint to good things coming in the future. And does it mean a rise is going to happen? Well, of course, only time will tell. Now, come up a little bit, and we have a retweeted post from 17 hours ago. It's just speaking about how of the cryptos, SHIB is the most mentioned in the past, 24 hours. So you can see most mentioned on Twitter today, SHIB is at the top, and that was published 17 hours ago. Now we're going to go back to have a look at the price of SHIB, because one thing that I've said in the past, especially when we zoom out to the month chart, we have found a support in the past at the 50 range. We'll call it the 50 range, and of course now we're dipping down to 45. Now when we went up to 50 before, we have of course seen wicks below that. You will see a wick below it here, you'll see that one here as well, and also here. So yes, we have seen a few candlesticks below 50 in the past, but for the majority of the days, the candlesticks themselves rather have remained above 50, or at least on 50. And coming out to what we've seen over the past couple of days, well, now we are breaking below that trend. It doesn't necessarily mean anything yet, but as I have said in the past, 50 was a nice level of support for some time, and we wanted to see that remain the case, but unfortunately it has not. We've fallen lower, and the question really in a lot of people's minds is, where do we go from here? And when it comes to support levels, we don't really have anything to go off. Now, there are a few theories, of course. Some people think that we're going to see the bottom of it quite soon and we're going to see that bull run coming. Other people think that it is possible that we could see this one start to patter out a bit and come down to a prior level where it was back here and then see another big run up. It is very, very hard to say. When it comes to SHIB, would I buy it right now? Personally, I would not buy it right now. Not because I dislike it, because I am a fan of it, and I am actually looking to buy more SHIB as time goes on, but I just want to see how this one plays out in the next couple of days. Now, one thing that we all know, Bitcoin is probably going to have a bit of an influence on the entire market, and right now, the question is, where does Bitcoin go? Because Bitcoin is at a level quite high. It's starting to see a little bit of an uptick, but we want to know if it's going to remain in that trend, if it's going to remain bullish, and if we're going to see more and more growth going forwards, or if we're going to start to see a bit of a sell-off. It's very hard to say, but of course that is going to influence the market, in my opinion, and subsequently affect SHIB. So we'll have to see what the next week does bring us, but like I said, the news in this video is looking good. I am feeling bullish, and that's just my personal sentiment. So thank you for watching the video. I'll see you all in another one very soon. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here, and again if you do join us it is completely free, link is down below, but if you do want to become a Patreon you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name, so your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.